While lilies, dahlias, and cannas might be a staple for your spring planting and summer bloom, there's one flower that I want you to think about. You don't want to overlook it. It's the Crocosmia. Odd name, but beautiful flower. You can see by its grass-like foliage that Crocosmia is a member of the iris family, but the real visual impact comes in its blooms. You see, they grow along the stem to create an arch-like spike effect, and they can be found in several different color varieties. For instance, if you want a flower that really demands attention, the bold red of this variety called Lucifer will not be ignored. But if you're looking for a flower that radiates sunshine, try planting this variety called George Davidson. Its yellow blooms will brighten up your beds in no time. Crocosmias are also available in more subtle, two-toned hues that play well with a variety of other flowers. So this spring, be sure to add some Crocosmia to your garden. They'll begin to bloom in summer, and you're going to be really glad you did it. From the Garden Home, I'm Alan Smith.